So the first thing that I want to talk about is setting huge goals. Now, huge goals are, in my opinion at least, otherwise known as stretch goals. Now, I've been taught my whole life to set goals that I can achieve easily. And I've done that. And it's worked. I mean, I've been able to achieve goals. But what has really worked wonders is setting these goals that I almost can achieve in a short period of time. Because what I realized that if I set the bar this high, then I end up trying to jump the bar this high. And I usually, will succeed after I've tried hard enough. But if you set the bar almost too high to jump, then you're probably going to, sort of like shoot for the stars, land on the moon. I think that's how it goes. Shoot for the stars, land in the clouds, however you want to say it. But you're going to aim for something that's higher, something that's greater. And then by doing that, you might not hit that goal immediately, but as long as you keep a mentality that I like to sort of call, I've always called it always happy, never satisfied, then you'll always be happy with it. So meaning if you set the bar this high and you only end up, end up coming short, then, as long as you're always happy with your successes and you view what you've done as positive and sort of see the value that you've added to the world, then it's still going to be a success. Even though you haven't achieved that goal just yet, you might be able to achieve it next month, next year, in the next 5 years. So if your goal is about fitness and you want to be more fit, then instead of saying like I want to lose 5 pounds, maybe say I want to lose like 30 pounds, or I want to be, have a 6-pack in 3 or 4 years of working out really hard. If your goal is finances, instead of saying I want to have a net worth of, $500,000 or $1 million, set it to 5 million. Because if you come up at 2.5 million, you're still going to be a success in your eyes and in the eyes of everybody else. So the first thing, and I believe that goal setting is absolutely important, would be to set these huge, massive goals, but still be happy if you sort of come up short, because you're still going to be successful.